All right, you're ready to set up your Facebook page. Before you get started, I recommend gathering a few items. First, write a quick 1 to 2 line description of your business. It needs to be a maximum of 155 characters. Grab your website URL and create a profile picture that's a 1x1 square. To get started, you'll need to log into your Facebook profile and then go to facebook.com/pages/create. I'll provide the URL with this video down below. You can see that I'm logged into my Facebook profile with my personal name, and I've gone to the URL facebook.com/pages/create. A word of warning, if you're creating a local business, you'll need your business name, street address, and phone number. If you're missing any of those items, I recommend choosing another page type, and then you can later transfer it at a later date. For the purposes of this tutorial, I'm going to create a brand or product page. My category will be health and beauty, and my page name will be Katie's Makeup Page. I have off-screen a document with my page name, page URL, and my short description so that it'll be easier for me later down the road. Once I'm ready, I click Get Started. Here's where you'll put that short description. You only have 155 characters, which is pretty short. I've made up a URL for this tutorial. So if you try to go there, it's going to be a blank website. For your Facebook page address, I recommend keeping something as close as possible to your URL or keeping something short and simple that's easy to tag. Later on, when you have more fans, this is the URL that they will use to tag you in posts. When you have finished the About section, click Save Info, and it'll prompt you to add your profile photo. The dimensions of this photo are 1x1. I recommend using either a logo or a high-resolution photo of your face. Make sure if you're using a photo that it's well lit. In order to make it easier on yourself in the future, I highly recommend that you add your new page to your favorites. That way it'll be easier to navigate to when you want to visit it again. Unless your page has sensitive information that's not appropriate for young audiences, I don't recommend that you set your preferred page audience. Later on, you can set up a Facebook pixel, which will allow much greater insights, and it'll prevent you from making mistaken assumptions about your audience. When you click Save on this final page, your new Facebook page will be ready. All right, you made your Facebook page. In the next lesson, I'll show you how to create a beautiful cover photo, how to set your call to action, and what information you need in your About section.